Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to succeed in online business and why in the end people are going to join people. Yeah, they join your business, yes, but they're also joining because of you. Now, what do I mean by that? So, us human beings are social creatures. We interact with each other in a lot of ways. We need each other because it's built into our being to be social creatures, social animals. Now, I prefer creature more because human beings are far more advanced than animals. But although sometimes people act like animals, they degrade themselves. But anyways, so people join people. Now, the best way to build your online business, to build your own credibility, to build your own brand, is to get out there and just show people that you're rare, that you're a real human being, that you have a lovely family, that you have accomplished some great things, or your aspiration is to achieve good things. Now, the reason why I tell people to come in at the G1000 in Exitus Elite is not because I just want to make commissions and I want to make money off you. The real reason is I want you to be positioned to make as much money as possible, and so that you can succeed and accomplish more in your business. Now, I know not everyone can afford to come in at the G1000. I know that. But that's why I also say come in as high as you can possibly afford. And in my videos, I also show you what's possible with Exitus Elite. I show you everything. And the best times to keep moving forward are even, like, let's say you get into online business and you join an opportunity.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Thank you. Anyways, so make sure you keep putting in the work even when you're not finding success, because in that time you may think, oh, people aren't watching my videos, people aren't watching my posts, people aren't interacting with me. I'm going to tell you something right now. Because of all those videos I made on Exitus Elite, I am now starting to get interaction with people. People are watching, and the reason why people are connecting with me is because they can see I'm serious about this business. I'm serious about Exitus Elite. And because of that, I'm starting to gain some traction. Now, I've only made one sale in Exitus Elite so far, and that was my qualifying sale. But does that mean I'm going to give up and say, no, I'm not going to do this? After I invested in putting my time and energy into Exitus Elite? Hell no. I'm going to keep on putting out those videos, and somebody at some point is going to join. I'm going to get my first $1,000 commission, or my first $100 commission, or my first $250 commission, or my first $500 commission. That's why I came in at the G1000, so I'd be qualified to make any one of those commission sales. So I'm already qualified now since I got my first sale. So the best thing to do is to keep working at whatever it is that you're going after, and even when you're not getting results. We have some team ad art we're giving out to our team. So, like, even if you don't have any credibility at the beginning, you can use the income proof that we have in our training. You can use that. You could say, look, this is someone I know in Exitus Elite that has been in it for 6 years, and he's making these commissions. Showing people what's possible in Exitus Elite will pique their interest. Now, you could say when I joined Exitus Elite, it's almost like starting over. And in a way it is, because for a long time I was looking for a great opportunity to tell people about, and I just didn't really see anything really great with great value in there. I mean, I did see one or two of them, but I wanted something where you didn't have to bring in hundreds of people in order to make some decent to life-changing income. And that's why I chose Exitus Lead. Another reason why I chose Exitus Lead was because of Paul Stevenson. Paul Stevenson has successfully run this business for 8 years. Other than Power Lead System, I don't know another affiliate offer that has lasted 8 years. Maybe easyoneup. I think that's still going. But Exitus Elite has been running strong for 8 years, and it's still getting updated to this day. So when you're starting your own online business, keep getting out there, keep interacting with your people, and like I said, you get the team bonus training. You can give that team bonus training out to your prospects, to your team. So that'll give them some incentive to join, because not only are you going to get all the training that you get in the Exitus Lead training products, but you're also going to get the team bonus training in there, including the team ad art, where you can use somebody else's credibility in the beginning to show people what's possible in Exitus Elite. And my friend, who is my friend, he really is my friend. I've known him for 5 years. I've done many businesses with him. That's his income proof that he's shared with us. So all the training that you're going to receive in the Steam bonus training is going to be straight for him. He has 6 years of success in Exitus Elite. So you're going to get that team ad art. You can use that. Now, don't lie to people and say, this is my income. It's not. You say, this is what's possible. This is somebody who's been in Exitus Elite for 6 years, and even to this day, he's still making commissions. So that's what you can say, or a friend of mine, or whatever it is that you want to say. Just to say, this person here has all the proof that this is his income proof, and this is what's possible. And that's what's possible when you look at that income proof of what you can do if you come in at the G1000. Now, I'm only looking for people that are going to take this seriously, who are going to work hard, or who are going to, even if they're not getting the results they want right away, they're still going to move forward, they're still going to push forward, and they're going to learn how to do it. And like I said, Exitus Elite, the training products that we sell, are going to teach you how to promote Exitus Elite or any other business. And there is a ton of training. Even at the G100 level, our lowest level, they just packed that lower level with more content. And some of this content that's in the G100 should technically be in the G1000. That's how good quality training that's in that product. So anyways, that's all I'm going to say in this video. And this is what I'm going to tell you. Keep moving forward. People are watching you. No matter, even if people don't interact with you right away, sometimes it takes people multiple times seeing your offer before they join. So anyways, like always, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell as well, so you get notified when I upload new content, and you'll get more trainings like this. I'm going to continue to do these trainings, but just keep your head up high, stay positive, don't let your negative self get you down, and you will find, sooner or later, you will find the success that you want because you work hard, and you're not going to say, oh, I'm not getting any results, so I'm just going to quit right now. Even though if you kept persisting for another month or two, you would start building something really good. And I'm starting to get more interaction with my videos, and I'm really starting to get the results that I want in my videos. And pretty soon that's going to turn into dollar signs as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys all in the next video, and I'll see you later.